On the Roadhouse now, I got a quick video on the JKU rear seat tilt. It comes with a bunch of stuff and I'll show you how to do it. Let's get it started. Just doing a quick video today on a Jeep JKU recline for the back seat. As you can see, I don't have anything in this Jeep so far, but here's where I'm gonna measure. We're right about here. All right. I'm going to take a picture of this from right here. Then when we're done, we'll see exactly where it's at. First, you're going to need to loosen up everything in the back. Metal bolt, the two on the ends, I don't even have nuts for it right now, so no big deal. All right, the front, you're going to take out all these bolts that are in the front here. That are there, here, and here. What you're going to do first is you're going to take the little spacer, put it underneath here, and then use the bolt that is from the Jeep factory bolt here, and go ahead and reinstall it. Make sure that this is underneath, and do those three from here, one over there. And then we'll go to the next step. Make sure you eat your Wheaties before you get those back bolts. They are a booger. Then go ahead and go to these. Once again, if I haven't told you before. Line these up just like this. This is the back of the Jeep, front of the Jeep. There's the bolts supplied. They're the longer ones. Go ahead and tighten them in, and we'll see where we're at. These are what it should look like. All right, now go ahead and tighten up your back bolts here, and we'll test how far it looks like it came back. These big ones are going to sit right here. The hole is going to be at the back. Let's see if I can get it back. There we go. Just like that. Well, it did move it back. What do you all think? Looks like a little bit better, but you know, not sure how much. I think I paid like $11.50 for this kit, something like that. I'll put the link on the description. I think I bought it off eBay or something. It looks all right. We'll see what you think. Tell me in the comments what you think. Whether this mod was a dud, or if you like it. Maybe your kids or your wife or your children or somebody likes it in the back seat now that this is tilted a little bit different. Tell me what you think in the comments down below about whether or not you like this little mod or not. I did it just because I had the seats out and I wanted to see if it worked. Can't hurt. Thanks for watching, and always subscribe, comment down below, and hit the like button for me, please. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her up wet. Again, I want to thank Mission 22, United Against the War Against Veteran Suicide.